Yeah, let's break the seal and then let's make sure we got room for the forklift on the other side.
Yeah, we got room. Want me to open it up?
Yep.
It's finally here.
Yes, sir.
What was a hold up, you know, overseas, and she said, you know, that y'all been waiting.
Oh,
For it.
I mean, everything. It's the right color. Yeah, this thing's packed to the gills.
Man, I'll go ahead and
We ain't gonna be here all night. My grandson's birthday today. We're having a party.
Oh, then we're getting the hell out of here.
We're getting it done.
Yes, sir.
Not too high. We want it up as minimal as possible.
Son right there, please, sir, just for the container.
No problem. 20
second. Right.
It is now.
All right, Adam, thanks, man.
Right on. See you, Kevin.
I don't think anything's hitting there. Go ahead and try it, Justin. So I say let's try to get this forklift up tighter. Get this weight up into here.
Oh, yeah, closer to the mast.
Yeah, so we can.
I'm game. To see Justin come off it and see how much of it you have, make sure he's not pushing it back. So Justin, you come in just a hair. There we go, now we got slack in that chain. Yeah, I think you got it, Dale. Yes, darling?
So when we go down, I'm gonna have to back up a little bit.
You might have to cut a little bit more.
Cut more then. Oh my God, that feels so good. It's on the ground.
One down, one to go.
2 more to go.
There's 2 pallets in there?
Yeah, if you want to call it a pallet. I don't know if I'd go that far. Island engineering. Straight from the island, man. All right, guys, come on. Now get all the way in it. Let's see if we can tilt back a little bit and get this end off the ground. What's the plan here, guys?
So we're gonna lift the bed up, get this out from underneath there, then we gotta cut the whole frame out.
Oh, okay, I see the cabinets locked in there.
Yeah, he's rubbing up against the side of this cabinet right here.
Okay.
And then, so I'm gonna get that cabinet out, get that out. He has the whole weight of it right now, this side of it.
Not a door. Wrong side.
That is a lot clean.
That's our PC? No. That's our PC.
Oh, okay.
No, we got Max Photonics on this one, which has got to be guessing one of those wood crates that got pulled out of there. Way cleaner.
Oh yeah.
It's a whole new design. So instead of all these independent little systems,
It's on PLC now.
yeah, and then it's all native to itself. So it's Bochu board, Bochu head, and Bochu software. So it's all made for itself. It's not like integrating or hacking anything anymore.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Woo! Tastes like Harbor Freight. And lot lizards. Like that. Yeah, we're almost off the dial. That was a huge step. Getting the beds unloaded, flat. We can't put in the leveling feet on the main bed because they tap the holes like garbage or painted over them or something. So we had to order a tap because it's obviously a weird metric size. But we're gonna keep cruising here. We're gonna get the gantry put on and maybe start putting the sheet metal frame together here. Oh, it looks like we got a little repair. Let's go check on the damage. Oh man. Well, Definitely gonna have to fix this. But just to show you guys, this is all galvanized tube in here before it gets powder coated, so nothing rusts on your machine. Good thing we got a welding shop. Something always happens on the ocean.
Gotta love those swells.
Swell.
Swell.
Sure is swell.
Sure is swell.
Everything's going fairly smooth right now. The only problem is I've been through what I think is all the boxes and crates, and I cannot find the laser resonator or the head. So hopefully they didn't forget it. I hope I'm just missing something. I got the techs will be here tomorrow night, so maybe they can show me, but right now I've got a laser without a laser, so this could get really complicated really fast. Try that. Ooh, that's buttery. That is freaking nice, actually. It's buttery. Yeah, those aren't even tight. Oh, hell yeah.
Now we know why it goes so fast.
That's why it's so fast. And light too, honestly, like we were moving this gantry by hand without the forklift.
Yeah. Too bad it ain't open, man. We'd be halfway there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I think Shinka got him.
Love that sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to go over a lot of these bolts and stuff on this thing.
Yeah, just like the first one.
Yeah. I mean, I guess.
But it's the same motor. It's just which wire you tell which one's Y1 and which one's Y2, because one's backwards to the other. It's not like it matters which motor's where.
No, I mean, you can reverse them or
Yeah,
whatever.
you just select it in the program.
Okay.
There's all kinds of like dynamic mapping in the motor control to take out vibration at speed and to help you get around corners faster, like your acceleration and deceleration curves. Everything's going so well. So I found out some rad news last night.
What's that?
Resonator's not in this shipment.
In this shipment? There's another shipment?
I got 3 more containers coming of more equipment, and it's with the 2 kilowatt.
Oh no.
So supposedly the head is in one of these wooden crates marked 12 kilowatt, but we don't have a laser to power the laser.
We can't run.
I canceled their trip last night. I told the techs not to fucking come. I can't even see straight. I'm so mad. So, air freight supposedly takes 12 days, and Trump just passed the new 150% tariffs that go in effect on November 1st, which is in a week. So I got to see if we can get a 12 kilowatt out with air pack, but hopefully before 150% tariffs.
Yeah.
Because then it doesn't make sense to do it. It's better just to wait. But then we have Christmas coming next month, which is like 10 grand a day in revenue that we're going to miss out on.
Right.
So I'm kind of thinking if we can find that head, even if we don't find the head, we use that 3 kilowatt resonator,
Yes.
pipe it into here. So I want to try and find that head this morning and see if we can, if it fits, if the bayonet's the right size, because that's already wired for a Max Photonics 12 kilowatt. So it's a 3 kilowatt, same brand.
Yep.
And even if that head doesn't work, maybe we take the old Ray Tools head off of that machine.
Yeah.
And then
the
we,
plate.
yeah, we just run this. We can make an adapter plate,
Okay.
and then we just run this on 3 kilowatts until 12 kilowatt shows up. So that boat's in Taiwan right now, and it's scheduled to go all the way to Memphis, but I'm gonna see if I can stop it in Long Beach and get a truck under it so we don't have to wait on the train.
Yeah, that'd be a lot quicker.
But looks like best case scenario, like 3rd week of November. To get the right resonator in here. So anyways, this one's back on us again because I didn't see the point in bringing them out here last night. I was so mad. But now, thinking about the 3 kilowatt, like maybe it would have been nice to have their help.
We can wing it.
Yeah, so anyways, that's the mission. I'm gonna see if I can find that head. So I'll see if that bayonet's the right size
It's sitting over by the other laser.
Okay. Because I think this head is good up to 20 kilowatts, so it should be fine all the way down, but the bayonet sizes change.
Okay.
There's 3 different sizes, so it might be 150 millimeter instead of 100 millimeter.
I hope not.
Anyways.
I hope it works.
So that's where we're at. Yippee!
We could just pick this other one with the forks.
Oh yeah, because it's not upside down.
It moves pretty good. Let's go. How do you order a farm?
Here we go.
Oh, that's nice.
So nice.
So very nice. What's next?
Wiring harness.
Like spaghetti. Bad spaghetti. Bad spaghetti.
No sauce.
No sauce.
Actually, you should spit on it. It'll slip right in there.
Ready to turn it on?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so this is gonna be 40. This is gonna be our cabinet.
Oh, this has power now.
What? There's power in the cabinet.
There's power in the cabinet.
Right?
All right, let me get it on camera.
Yeah, I'll let you do it.
You gonna let me do it?
Oh yes.
Oh! There's power.
Rod.
Green means go. Holy shit! All right, and something's beeping. That's a good sign. It means stuff's working. Oh, bro, look at those drives all lit up. Board's got power. This little cheesy transformer thing up here has power. The VFD for the exchange table has power.
More power. More power.
Coming.
Power!
Oh yeah.
Windows 1984. Perfect.
Shut up.
That's a good one. You got the.
I put the screen in upside down.
Let's turn the machine over.
All right. Well, that's about the easiest problem we could fix.
I need you to look at the placement, see if we want to move it back a little bit, over a
Think
little
we
bit.
slide it forward to totally clear the bed.
No, I think it's a terrible idea.
You come. But it also kind of depends on the ducting. We don't want too many bends in it either.
So the ducting's coming out right here.
Yeah.
So that's why I kind of lined it up with that.
No, I
So we
see
can
what
just-
you did here.
Know what I did
Make
here?
less bends.
Factory.
Oh, with the zip ties. That's professional.
That's professional.
Professional.
That's professional.
It's duct tape hose.
It looks like it.
That is duct tape hose.
Could you imagine the poor little bastard that had to sit there and tape around all those rings?
Shut up. It's double-sided.
And he did a good job. Too.
Yeah. It's all done by hand.
It's all laid up by hand, like
That's-
those old duct tape wallets.
Yeah. It's a summer camp project for the kids. It's their summer craft project. We make duct tape wallets, they make
Yeah.
duct tape duct.
Duct. It's actually.
Oh,
duct.
that's why it's duct tape. It's not duct tape. I'm so excited I have to pee. You guys know what's in here.
Oh yeah.
We all know what's in here.
Yeah.
Look at this tape job, man. This thing looks like a kilo. This thing's wrapped like a brick, dog. I'm all bricked up right now.
Oh man, that wasn't what I wanted it to be.
Shit. All right. You want to see my head? So I doubt the bolt pattern is going to match up. So I'm going to have to drill and tap. Feels like the Stanley Cup. You want to see it, Justin?
I want to see it.
Okay. There's our focusing, or our beam centering right there. That probably opens up the lower window.
I like this head. It looks a lot better.
This is an upgrade from the Ray tools. Yeah, and this bottom portion right here, these are special bolts that are made to break away. So if the head has a really bad collision, these 4 bolts will actually pop out. So you don't get catastrophic failure like we did on the last one. And then the this is the 4 series head. The 6 series head has a breakaway back here on the chassis.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so this whole thing breaks away and then you put the head back on.
Kind of like plasma.
Kinda, yeah. All right, you guys want to see something cool? We built our own laminar flow hood. So this is a HEPA filtered box basically that pushes air out evenly and doesn't recirculate any air to pull dust into this space. So what this is for when we rebuild laser heads, a lot of sensitive optics in here. One speck of dust will actually roach some of your lenses. It's not going to brick the whole thing, but you're going to have terrible performance and be wondering what's going on. And it's all inside of here because there's dust. The other big thing is when you insert the bayonet in the top of this, that's like your highest risk install activity basically, where you can screw up the laser without even trying. Because one speck of dust in the top of this thing when you put the bayonet in is catastrophic for that top lens, and then everything underneath can't really focus. So they sell these things, they're super expensive. We decided to build our own instead. So this is just a cheap insurance policy when you're rebuilding heads or installing your bayonet on your machine. So let's see what kind of shape the end of the bayonet is in. Okay, it still looks brand new. I don't even think it needs to be cleaned. Take our head. Can you grab that bottle? Oh yeah, that's raw top of lens activity right there. Ah, there we go. Now we're in there.
Is that in case it doesn't seal real good around that, or?
Yeah, everybody, this is like an extra gasket.
Yep.
That's like an add-on. But everybody I've ever seen run these things just tapes this thing up after the fact. Because that's the most crucial part of the head, is the top. Because if it doesn't focus at the top, there's nothing you can do at the bottom of the lens. Okie doke, we got a sealed system. I wasn't nervous, Justin. You were nervous.
Maybe.
I was scared to death. Got the peeping Tom over there. We had a little chiller accident. We turned the chiller on and this line right here blew off. So let's go round 2.
Ready.
Power. I wouldn't stand back there if I was you. You might get wet.
Choo.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Holy smoke. That's all holding tight in there.
Yep, I watched it all shift whenever it turned on.
Whew.
You can feel it flowing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now air.
Yes.
One of those goes, the open one I think goes out to that.
And then the little blue nipple goes for the red line.
Okay, and we just needed a reducer.
Your other guy's some bad habits.
Ah,
Yeah.
I'm the only one that's allowed to have bad habits around here. Yeah, Steven.
Yes, Dale, I heard.
Show up to work on time.
Yeah.
It's at a time.
Yeah, it's not on time though. It's on, well, it's on your time.
Adam, you're looking
Not
at
on
this
our
the wrong
time.
way. I'm actually saving the bottom line some money.
You know, that is one of the nice things about you taking long lunches and showing up late is I don't have to pay
You're literally paying
for your
me
negligence.
less. Yeah, you're just paying me less.
Yeah, and Dale's actually happier when you're not here anyway,
I
so.
know. Dale gets 15 minutes in the morning to just...
15 minutes? You're generous, Steven. 15 minutes.
Well, that's when I show up early.
Or like 50 minutes.
15 is when I show up early.
Yeah. All right, guys. So if you haven't heard, we had a shipping snafu. I don't want to name names here, but it wasn't our fault. The fact of the matter is, we have no laser for our laser, so we're gonna jimmy rig this together. I've got a spare 3 kilowatt resonator here, and we're going to show you guys how to wire it into the board. The Max Photonics, as far as I understand, everything uses the same voltage for signals. It's basically using somewhere between 0 and 24 volts to send the signals out to the laser, to set power, turn it on, make sure it's safely running, open the shutter. That's basically communication stuff. So I printed out the owner's manual page for the 3 kilowatt, and then I have matched that up to all of the 12 kilowatt harness and made the translation here. And we got the peanut gallery back here, so there might be some fun conversation. We'll see what happens. You guys can still bullshit if you want. And Dale just ripped ass. Oh yeah, this is the Bochu FS Cut 8000 board. So it's their latest and greatest 8 series. I think they're in beta on some new ones right now, but they haven't come out with them yet. So this is the newest stuff, and there's not much information on YouTube for this yet. So hopefully you guys find this useful. But let's go plug the harness into the laser. This is where the harness terminates into the resonator. Even though the harness is the same, the plug is larger on the 12 kilowatt. Same size pin, just the plug itself is bigger because it has more communication capability for more features on the higher power machine. All right, so here we've got our PWM positive and negative. Here is our DA positive, DA negative. Then we have our enable positive, enable negative. And then right down here we have the one that I don't know what it is, but it says control, so that's where it goes. All right, I'm about to origin the machine for the very first time. This is going to show whether we did it right or not. So oh, not allowed. Oh, so many things to do. So many things to do. Holy shit, the first origin move. Yay! Oh my gosh. Alright, pallet exchanger. Let's see if it catches the magnets. Slow down. Nice. We're in the very last stages here. Oh my gosh, we're so close. Had to bypass the chiller alarm to test before we had the chiller connected, and now I can't remember how to unbypass the chiller alarm. I marked it as normally closed when it's normally open, just to get some more testing done. We got the water chiller hooked up, air's hooked up, power's hooked up, lasers hooked up, heads hooked up, fume extractors hooked up. We're live. We should be cutting tonight. That's the goal. So I'm just waiting for the factory to get back to me. They're going to remote into the machine here and show me how to change the water chiller alarm. That's the last alarm we have to clear before we can start motion and start working on different cut settings for the 3 kilowatt. It came set up for 12 kilowatts, so all the settings in there won't work, not even close for 3 kilowatts. So I'm going to have a long night of resetting up all of the materials that we cut, 16 gauge, 7 gauge, 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch aluminum. Those are like our bread and butter. So I need to get those running. It's Sunday night. I need those running tomorrow morning because we've been subbing out some of our cutting and it eats into profit margins. As I'm sure you guys know, that's why you're interested in buying a laser, because you're tired of subbing it out. Me too, bro. Me frickin' too. So let's hope they get in here soon. Oh! He just sent me a little picture. That's where it is. All right, I'm gonna go find it. Water chiller alarm is cleared, but now I'm getting a gas alarm. This is just like the never-ending little niggling details at the very end of the project that take forever, but I know we can figure it out. It's nothing too exotic. Okay guys, I think I got it. I think the air dryer is frozen because the back tank has 220 PSI and the front tank only has like 110 PSI, and it's routed from the back tank to the front tank. It's routed from the back tank to the front tank through the air dryer. So I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to turn it up, and that should unfreeze it and get this tank the same pressure as the back tank, and then the machine will have all the pressure. Of course there's no button to do it, but they did give me a nice little diagram to go inside with. So it looks like this expansion valve will let more hot stuff in the cold system, and that should warm it up. Of course, it's not in the worst spot, it's just in a bad spot. Okay, that was totally it. It was in the negative 2.7 to 3, and now we're positive 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. All of a sudden, the front tank is the same pressure as the back tank. I don't know if you can see the back tank back there. That's the back tank back there, blue ring. Holy smokes.
It's alive.
It's cutting. It's cutting, bro. Oh my gosh. It's cutting. It's cutting. Oh. Yep. It's officially working. You want to see?
Yes, I want to see.